How to unpin someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can unpin someone on Snapchat. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to unpin someone on Snapchat, now there are two types of pin. Pinning the conversation or pinning someone as your number one BFF, which will require you to have Snapchat Premium. But to do either of those, it's very simple. Let's say that you pinned someone as your number one BFF. You can unpin them like this, and if it is set to pin, you will be able to see the unpin button. The other is, you can see I have pinned the conversation to the top of my chat page, and I want to unpin this conversation so that the newer ones can show up above this. So for that, I just have to long press on it like this, and once I long press on it, I can go to chat and notification settings, then I can select unpin conversation. And when I've done that, I will be able to unpin any of the other conversations that I want as well. And that's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.